In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills using Revolut. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to send money to a company or service provider straight from your phone. Start by opening the Revolut app and heading to the Payments or Transfers section. This is where all outgoing money moves live. Before you begin, make sure you have enough balance in the right currency and that your app is up to date to avoid any hiccups. If you're paying internationally, processing times and exchange rates can vary by country and the receiving bank, so build in a small buffer before the bill's due date. Tap New to start a fresh payment. You'll see a few options for how to send. Choose Bank Recipient. This option is for paying a business or company directly to their bank account rather than sending money to a contact in the app or to a card. Now add the recipient's details exactly as they appear on your bill or invoice. Enter the country where the account is held. Pick the correct currency for the payment, type in the IBAN, the international bank account number, and enter the company name. You can also specify whether you're paying an individual or a business. Take a moment to double check the IBAN characters and the currency. Getting these right helps prevent delays or conversion fees. If anything looks off, go back and correct it before moving on. When everything looks good, tap Add Recipient. The app will save these details and prepare the transfer screen for you. Enter the amount you want to pay. If the bill includes a reference, order number, or customer ID, add that in the reference field so the company can match your payment to your account. Copy it exactly as shown on the bill, punctuation and spacing included. Before you send, review the payment carefully, confirm the recipient name, IBN, country, currency, amount, and the reference. You'll also see any fees or the estimated arrival time if they apply. When you're confident everything is correct, tap Send to complete the payment. You may be asked to confirm with your passcode or biometrics. Just follow the on-screen prompt. A quick tip for next time. Once you've made your first payment, Revolut saves the recipient. That means future bill payments are faster. You can select the saved recipient and go straight to entering an amount and reference. And that's it. You've successfully paid a bill using Revolut. Keep your invoice handy, double-check details, and you'll have smooth, on-time payments every time.